Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I gives review about skincare and haircare products, so today I will give review about skincare products called Anua Niacinamide Serum. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Anua Niacinamide Serum is a dark spot correcting serum. It contains 10% niacinamide plus 4% TXA. The Anua serum also contains arbutin 2% and 10 hyaluronic acid. Anua Niacinamide Dark Spots Correcting Serum is a brightening hyperpigmentation serum that brightens dark and dull skin with 10% niacinamide, 4% tranexamic acid, and 2% arbutin. Pink-colored vitamin B12 cyanobalamin is a fermented plant-derived ingredient, and color may be lost if exposed to light for a long time, but the product is not nothing wrong. For those who has dark spots on their face or body, even also dull skin, Anua Niacinamide Serum is a good dark spots correcting serum with niacinamide. The Anua serum come in 30 ml bottle and it contains a liquid of red color. Anua serum is manufactured by COSMAX, INC, and the serum is manufactured in Korea. What are the benefits of Anua Niacinamide Serum? 1. It reduces the appearance of hyperpigmentation. 2. It helps to brighten dark spots on the face. 3. The 2% arbutin help it to brighten dull skin. How to use Anua Niacinamide Serum. Apply an appropriate amount to the skin. Caution. 1. If you have any rashes from direct sunlight, swolleness, irritation or other negative skin reactions while using the product, please consult with a doctor. 2. It is not advised to use on areas with wounds and/or skin problems. 3. Precautions for storage and handling. A. Keep out of reach of children. B. Keep it stored away from direct sunlight. 4. Arbutin has reported cases of papules and mild itching in clinical trials. 5. Do not use on children under the age of 3. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.